Hello, my Gemini Cancer cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of August 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Weave to Live family. Apologies for outside noise, interference or flash on the cards that could disturb your eyes, and because this will be a collective reading, for a few it may resonate, for a few it may not. If this reading resonates with you by any means, let me know in the comment section, but if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, hang on for some more time. Shortly, we'll upload a reading for you. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. Okay, let's go. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please. The dream, completion, sharing. Hellos, you've got great first 10 days coming up. Make the best use of it. Karmically, whatever you want, it is coming to you. A chapter will close for a new chapter to begin. You will have reunion, celebration moments, meeting old people, whatever you have been manifesting, yes, your dreams are turning into reality. Expect pregnancy, adoption, expect new beginnings, finance flow comes to you. So ideally, this is the best first, beginning of the month is going to be super interesting. Please make the best use of it. Let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Going with the flow, participation, the master, conditioning. See, there is a possibility that you might get entangled into a third party. Okay, there is a possibility. I'm not saying you will, I'm saying there is a possibility, because going with the flow, participation and conditioning is trying to say that a third party, or you might just fall for somebody. Maybe it need not be like a physical intimacy, it could be just like a liking. Okay, whatever it is, stay a little away. Okay, there could be repercussions. Remember, you're the master of your life. Okay, so listen to your higher self. Love will flow for a lot many. If there could be celebration moments, travel, success is embracing. Avoid addictions like sugary, alcohol, nicotine intake. Avoid giving your overthinking or getting swayed by anybody. You should be only listening to yourself, because you are the master of your life. Rest, you have good things coming up. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. Nothingness, silence and the source, which is trying to say, again, if you are entangled, there could be a physical intimacy coming up for a lot many. Nothingness, listen to your gut feeling. Your spiritual guru, mentor will tell you. For a lot many, there seems to be marriages coming up. Okay, there is somebody who really wants to take things ahead with you, but I think there's a lot of chaos. If you can see, there is, it's like your ajna is not giving you that answer. So remember, whatever you want, you can achieve, but you need to be calm from within. And if you want to get connected with within, meditate, chant mantras, breathing techniques, visiting some shrines, temples, mosques, churches. The vibrations are so pure, you will find the answers that you have been seeking for. So ideally, it's a beautiful month is what I will say. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Assertiveness, it means a yes. Whatever you have been asking for, the answer is a yes. Stepping out will help you. Listening to music therapy like flute therapy or anything should help you. Assertiveness also means a yes for asking help. There are people who are there to help you, so ask. Okay, there are counselors, healers, you can connect with them. You can come to me, darlings, if you want to. Just DM me on my Instagram or over here as well. I will definitely connect. So the answer is a yes, but you need to work towards it. Now let's come to your love life, okay, because we've got marriages, but still. Lightning, the sword and rose, which is trying to say that there could be some sudden changes, upheaval, transformation coming in your life, but gain clarity. Maybe that's the reason it's trying to say avoid getting into a third party. Just try to understand what it is. Okay, everything should be fine with you. Now let's ask universe anything specific coming up for you in this month. Judication, say, so anything related to court cases shall help you in sealing the deal. Okay, then we have sudden wealth, which is also trying to say that money will come to you unexpected. Okay, prizes, lottery, whatever it is. So good things are coming up. So how should I sum up the month? The answer is a yes. Okay, so what can the yes relate to? Finance flow, spiritual growth, good health, emotional well-being. But if you get into a third party, there will be repercussions. So you need to be careful, because that's exactly what even the love angels are saying. Okay, so there could be some shifts coming up. Your angels are telling you to be in a positive state of mind. Anything related to court cases or something as such will favor in you, but try to do out of court settlement, or signing some documents. Maybe that's where the legalities might come into picture. But yes, finance is definitely coming towards you. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.